love you so much. Nasa sinabot ko siya, he wanted to wear a skirt. Skirt now. Tapos diba, nasa ng kilay ko, nakasimangot na ako sa chain. Now. Tapos diba, nasa ng kilay ko, nakasimangot na ako sa chain. Tapos diba, nasa ng kilay ko, nakasimangot na ako sa chain. Tapos diba, nasa ng kilay ko, nakasimangot na ako sa chain. Tapos diba, nasa ng kilay ko, nakasimangot na ako sa chain. I love you so much.
I'm sensitive to your reaction. Pag medyo ayaw ni kasi nakikinig tayo
Nice,
siya.
sir. Maganda, oo. The colors of the...
Hindi ko maintindihan ba't nagpa-pop up ang kanilang mga pictures dito. Hindi ko mag-gets. Nasakyan ko lang. So, kayong tatlo, Nita's Office, Goodie Bag Edition, Maria Gigantes Full Performance, Weavers of Babylon, Miss Avery, nag-walk out sa the bars, tunay na relasyon ni Gretchen Barreto at Atong ang ngayon. Atong ang ngayon. Ariana Grande, We Can't Be Friends. Balikan, Mario Dumawan sa 1994 Manila Film Fest scandal. Balikan, Kris Aquino speaks about her issue with Ruffa Gutierrez. Kublihan ko'y ikaw. Annabelle Staff 10. Agadu. Kuminsan kasi akala mo hindi kayo pinaghandaan eh. Tapos ayan, magugulat ka. Ready pala. Akala nila hindi ready. Bandila. Film Fest Cam. Bandila. Napahiya sa banat ni Ruffa G. Kris defends self from constant criticism. Paligoy-ligoy, yung dalawa. Lenka, trouble is a friend. Sukdulang biyaya, plus pupurihin ka sa awit. Magandang buhay. Ken Chan. Jenny Solo. Nita Everything. Nita is neat. Kasi nakuha ko yan sa papa ni Bonnie. Bonnie. Neat. Honey. Tapos ngayon may nauso rin silang neat. Oh, alam nyo na kung sino yung isa pang neat. And then tita. Neat. Tsaka tita. Everything. Si una to 5 years. Hindi kinaya ang pasabog. Kahit kami na parang nililigawan pa rin niya. Kahit kami na parang nililigawan pa rin niya. Maha on Mateo. Kris Aquino hulog sa stage ng GMA Super Show. Kasi ganun talaga eh. Akala mo hindi kayo pinaghandaan pero nang magugulat kayo handang-handa pala, no? Puro kasi ako nagigisa dito eh. Yuna, run and run. Ako yun. Kasi kayo habol ng habol. Ako naman takbo ng takbo. Parang nakaano na siya, nakaset. Secret Love Song. Philippines Ruffa G Returns Award. Guwapo ang lalaki. Bilog ang balita. controversial love affair. Don't siya. Pussycat Dolls. Gives up marriage to James Yap. Kylie Minogue. The Locomotion. Grabe yabang naman ang may-ari ng bahay. Oo. Guwapings lahang. Ginamit lang daw ni Pretty Modern. Please, Julian, talk about people. Joke. Yan. Ano ba yan? Praise and worship tsaka ng chismis. Ano ba yan? Kailan pa tayo mga Kristiyano nag-chismosa? Anyway, kasi kailangan ko ito. Pag-minute. Jericho Rosales. Kaya hindi kami dapat poor. Madaling sirain pag mahirap ka lang. Okay.
Yung gano'n, I remember, he was the Igorot.
I'd like to condole with ang patay na si Marky Shello. Yun na natin ng Starstruck, and we'd like to condole with his family kasi he passed away na po. Hindi pa natin alam ang mga balita.
Yes.
Super young because I remember, he was the Igorot boy.
That's right.
Na
19 years old.
19 gano'n, 20. Remember, he was the Igorot boy.
That's right.
Na
19 years old.
19 gano'n, 20 at mer. He was the Igorot boy.
That's right.
Na
19 years old.
19 gano'n, 20 at most, di
Mga
ba?
ganon, mga
That is
Ano to? Blackmail. Ano to? Tinitreaten niyo ako about my son. Ego rat boy. Kumaka naman si Elon Musk to. Ego rat boy. Huh? Kaya ako pag pinag-usapan ng son, di sino bang son? Sino ba ditong son? Sino bang son? Sino bang Jesus dito? Gulo-gulo ako. Sino ba dito? Sino ba siya? Gulo-gulo ako sa totoo lang. Malalaman mo na lang pagka nakaano na. Siya pala yun. Siya yung tinamaan.
sa bangungot.
Yeah, I watched that awarding when he won, and then
Para ako nang binablackmail dito. Pag hindi ako nagtumahimik,
I think, if I'm not mistaken, siya yung sumasayaw na tumilapan pa yung shoe during that awards, and talagang presence of mind talaga that he was able to complete the dance, and then he finally won, and then, ang bilis ano.
Oo, alam mo,
Let us enjoy life.
Nag-pictorial, tapos
Akala ko nag-malling ka.
I wish. Baka nasa kami kagabi na hindi ako
Where were you,
nakanood. Mall of Asia.
Why?
Wow.
No, nag-pictorial, tapos
Akala ko nag-malling ka.
I wish.
Yeah.
Nag-pictorial ako by the bay on a yacht. Now I realize I don't dream of food. Nag-pictorial ako by the bay on a yacht. Now I realize wish.
Yeah.
Nag-pictorial ako by the bay on a yacht. Now I realize I don't dream.
Oh. Where were you, ma'am? Because I wanted to watch. Ang pinagsasama ko, ang apat na... Where were you, ma'am?
Mall of Asia.
Why?
Wow.
Where
were you, ma'am?
Mall of Asia.
Right.
Nasa kami kagabi na hindi ako
Where were you, ma'am?
nakanood. Mall of Asia?
Why?
Wow.
Where
were you, ma'am?
Mall of Asia. Doon,
Right.
nasa kami kagabi na hindi ako
Where were you, ma'am?
nanonood. Mall of Asia?
Why?
Wow.
Nag-pictorial.
Akala ko nag-malling ka.
I wish.
Yeah.
Nag-pictorial ako by the bay on a yacht. Now I realize I don't dream of owning a yacht. Hilong
Why?
talaga ako.
Ah.
Grabe, nalulog ako. Pili ko na. I don't dream of owning a yacht. Hilong
Why?
talaga ako.
Ah.
Grabe, nalulog ako. Pili ko na ka. Dream of owning a yacht. Hilong
Why?
talaga ako.
Ah.
Grabe, nalulog ako. Pili ko na ka. Dalawang case ako ng beer sa Hilo. And I did, grabe. And then, James had a game. Dalawang case ako ng beer sa Hilo. And I did, grabe. And then, James had a game. James had a game. Dalawang case ako ng beer sa Hilo. And I did, grabe. And then, James had a game in Inares. They lost. So, Hilo. And I did, grabe. And then, James had a game in Inares. They lost. So, we ate na lang. Hawaiian. James had a game in Inares. They lost. So, we ate na lang. Grabe. And then, James had a game in Inares. They lost. So, we ate na lang. Grabe. And then, James had a game in Inares. They lost. So, we ate na lang. Grabe. And then, James had a game in Inares. They lost. So, we ate na lang. Hawaiian barbecue. We ate there.
Ay, nice.
No, so we ate na lang. Hawaiian barbecue. We ate there.
Ay, nice.
No,
Nice
so we
place.
ate na lang. Hawaiian barbecue. We ate there.
Ay, nice.
Lost. So we ate na lang. Hawaiian barbecue. We ate there.
Ay, nice.
No,
Nice
ito na
place.
nasasabihin ko for all. Hawaiian barbecue. We ate there.
Ay, nice.
No,
Nice
ito na
place.
nasasabihin ko for Hawaiian barbecue. We ate there.
Ay, nice.
No,
Nice
ito na
place.
nasasabihin ko for all those with kids. Ang ganda kasi there's a parade. Bring your kids.
Wala talaga si Kris dito, no? Sobrang nambubwisit siya. Tapos tingnan mo yung itsura ng dalawa. Parang hindi nila alam kung saan mag-a-adjust. No, kasi napaka-ano nitong isa, napaka-barumbado.
And it's free parade. Na parang, wish the kids were there. Pag we kids, barbecue, we ate there.
Ay, nice.
No,
Nice
ito na
place.
nasasabihin ko for all those with kids. Ang ganda kasi there's a parade. Bring your kids. I wish the kids were there. Pag weekend, it's an electric parade. Na parang Hongkong.
Around Mall of Asia?
Yes, and ganda kasi there's a parade.
Nice.
They lost, so we Hilo. And I did, grabe. And then, James had a game in Inares. They lost, so we ate na lang. Hawaiian barbecue, we ate there.
Ay, nice.
No,
Nice
ito na
place.
nasasabihin ko for all those with kids. Ang ganda kasi there's a parade. Bring your kids. I wish the kids were there. Pag weekend, it's an electric parade. Na parang Hongkong.
Around Mall of Asia?
We kids. Ang ganda kasi there's a parade. Bring your kids. I wish the kids were there. Pag weekend, it's an electric parade. Na parang Hongkong.
Around Mall of Asia?
Yes, na all this. Ang cute. Grabe, and it's free.
Okay, good.
Diba, we have
Mall of Asia?
weekend. It's an electric parade. Na parang Hongkong.
Around Mall of Asia?
Yes, na all this. It's an electric parade. Na parang Hongkong.
Around Mall of Asia?
Weekend. It's an electric parade. Na parang Hongkong.
Around Mall of Asia?
Yes, na all this. Ang cute. Grabe, and it's free.
Okay, good. Around Mall of Asia?
Yes, na all this. Ang cute. It's an electric parade. Na parang Hongkong.
Around Mall of Asia?
Yes, na all this. Ang cute. Grabe, and it's free.
Okay.
Hongkong.
Around Mall of Asia?
Yes, na all this. Ang cute. Grabe, and it's free.
Okay, good.
Diba, we have to.
Mall of Asia?
Yes, na all this. Ang cute. Grabe, and it's free.
Okay, good.
Diba, we have to.
Mall of Asia?
Yes, na all this. Ang cute. Grabe, and it's free.
Okay, good. Around Mall of Asia?
Yes, na all this. Ang cute. Grabe, and it's free.
Okay.
Parang wish sasabihin ko for all those with kids. Ang ganda kasi there's a parade. Bring your kids. I wish the kids were there. Pag weekend, it's an electric parade. Na parang Hongkong.
Around Mall of Asia?
Yes, na all this. Ang cute. Grabe, and it's free.
Okay, good.
Diba, we have to be
Alright,
practical.
ang tanong ng bayan kasi noon mga kaibigan, ano kaya mangyayari pag pinagsama niyo po ang apat na divas? May mga kontrobersiya, may mga intriga ba, may patalbugan bang naganap? Abay, Pilipinas! Ito po ang ating unang first story today. Let's watch.